Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going over practice test 7 from the official College Board Study Guide for the SAT math calculator. Okay, so number 28, math calculator number 28 from practice test 7. Okay, so it says, it gives me a picture of a function that's a line. So it's a linear function. Now remember, we've talked about this if you've watched any of my videos. You learned about linear functions in Algebra 1, you learned about linear functions in geometry, and you learned about linear functions in Algebra 2. So you don't have to be afraid of linear functions. It says, in the xy plane above, a point not shown with coordinates st lies on the graph of the linear function. So there's some point, it could be down here, it could be up here, it lies on that line. If s and t are positive integers, which means numbers that are positive, negative, whole numbers, what is the ratio of t to s? Well, I want you to think about this. S to t they gave us, okay? That just really means x to y. And they want a ratio. A ratio is a comparison of the numbers. They want t to s. I think of it as a fraction. So they really want the ratio of y to x of that point. And it is on this line. So we have to remember that slope is a ratio. It is a ratio of y over x, okay? So any point on that line should have the same ratio. So I looked and I saw that this point went right through 0, 0 and the point 3, 6. So I wanted to find the slope. The slope would be the rise over the run. So I rose 6 and I ran 3. So 6 over 3, which is 2 over 1. So my slope is 2 to 1, right? So look, if my slope is 2 to 1 and this point itself is just 6 to 3, then any point on the line is going to have the ratio of that same ratio, 2 to 1, or 1 to 2. Now they wanted t to s, okay? Y was 2, x was 1, so they want the ratio of 2 to 1, which would be C. All right, guys, I know that one was kind of tricky. It's hard to always recognize, but if a point is on a line, okay, so like if I pick another point that would be on this line, just using the slope, say I went down 6 and over 3. So if I went down 6 over 3, that would be -3, -6. If I took the ratio of the x or the y to the x, it would be -6 over -3, which would be 2. So 2 to 1 again. So any point on that line, the ratio of its y to its x is going to be the same, or x to y if they asked for that. Hopefully that was a helpful video. Hope I didn't confuse you too much. Have a great day.